月光洒落在古旧全霜，故事在岁月里静静流淌。我在时光长河独自。
Hey, Dr. Lee, how are you?
I'm doing fine. How you doing?
I'm looking for a job.
Yeah, you should keep trying. If you don't have a job, you don't have life, right? You cannot sleep all day.
I like sleeping though.
Sleeping is the one way to get rest, but you should not sleep 24 hours a day. You need to go out to work and see people and socialize.
No.